Hey there, stuck on a FreshBooks feature or need help with your account? Getting FreshBooks customer support is easy through multiple channels, and they're known for their friendly, helpful service. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to get help. The fastest method is often the in-app chat. Look for the help icon, usually a question mark, in the bottom corner of your screen. You can also email support directly or call their phone number, which you can find in the Help section of your account or on their website. They also have an extensive library of articles and tutorial videos. My crucial pro tip: use the in-app chat during business hours for quick solutions. For feature questions or troubleshooting, the chat support is incredibly responsive. Have your account details and a clear description of your issue ready to help them assist you faster. That's your direct line to getting back on track whenever you need it. What's the best customer support experience you've had with a software company? Share your story in the comments. For more guides on navigating support, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.